In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create buttons on the new Google Sites. Google Sites is a fantastic tool that allows you to effortlessly create and share web pages. Adding buttons to your site can enhance navigation and provide a cleaner and more professional appearance. So let's dive into the process together. First, we're going to begin by accessing our Google Sites editor. When you're in, glance over to the right hand side of the screen and you'll notice options like Insert, Pages, and Themes. This is where the magic begins. We need to focus on the Insert panel. Once you've clicked on Insert, you'll see various options such as text box, images, embed, and more. But today our goal is to insert a button. To get started with adding a button, look for the button icon in the Insert panel. Once you find it, give it a click. You'll be prompted with a dialog box where you can type the name of your button. Naming your button is crucial because it indicates its purpose to your site visitors. A clear and concise name can make navigation seamless and intuitive, like Contact Us or Learn More. Now with your button named, you'll notice another field to add a link. This is where you'll connect your button to a specific destination, a page, an external website, or even a document. Just paste or type the URL of your desired location. The magic behind the button is that it guides the viewer exactly to where you want them to go with just one click. Once your button is named and linked, you have the option to highlight it. This means you can select button styles or change its color to stand out better on the page. A highlighted button captures attention and draws the viewer's eye, making it more likely to be clicked. It's a subtle yet effective tool to engage your audience. Next, there's a step that frequently enhances member interactions, linking the button to a member's login page. If you've got a part of your website that requires user authentication, ensuring your button guides them there can elevate their experience and encourage them to stay connected. Finally, when everything is set, the name, link, and styling, it's time to make it official by clicking on the Insert button. This will place the button onto your web page. Now you can reposition it according to your page layout and aesthetic preferences. Just drag and drop it exactly where it fits best, ensuring it aligns harmoniously with your content. And there you have it, a perfectly inserted button on your Google Sites page. I hope you found this guide helpful. Simple yet effective, this method helps users navigate your site with ease and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and remember to explore more features that Google Sites offers to truly make your site unique.